Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to learn the methods of list data type. So for this, let's consider an example. I am going to create a list called fruits which contain some name of the fruits. Banana, and there is another apple. So as you can see here, there are two apples in the list. So the first method we have here is count method. So we can count the items in the list by using count method. So we can directly use this method by using print function here, fruits dot count. So which item we want to count? Suppose we want to count apple. So we can directly write here apple. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here the length of the item present in the list appear at the output. So what if we write the item here which is not present in the list? Suppose instead of apple I write small apple with small a. So if I run this program again, you can see here the length of the item is 0 because this name does not exist in our list. So we can find any other item by using this method. Suppose pear. As I run this program, you can see here the length of this name present in the list appear at output. So the second method we have here is sort method. So if we want to sort our items present in the list with respect to the alphabetical order, so we can arrange our items in alphabetical order or in numeric order by using sort method. So we can directly use this method fruits dot sort. Alright, and then we can print this list. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here our elements are arranged in alphabetic order. So there is another method, we have sorted. So what is the difference between sort and sorted method? Sorted. So the sorted method, if we do not want to arrange our element in alphabetic or in numeric order, but we want it to print in a specific order, so we can directly use sorted method instead of sort method. So what is the difference between sort and sorted method? The sort method arrange the list in alphabetic or in numeric order, but the sorted method only print the list in any specific order. So what I want to tell you is this: suppose I am going to create a list called number, and then I write here 2, 1, 3, 4 and suppose 2.2. So this list contain different values of numeric. So if I want to print this list in a numeric order, so I can directly print it here. So how can I directly use this method? We can directly use it by sorted number. So as I run this program, you can see here our elements are arranged in numeric order. So if I comment this program and I use sorted method as sort method, you will see that it will not arrange the list in numeric order because sorted method is slightly different from sort method here. So as I use it, number dot sorted. So if I directly use it here, so if I print, you can see here the difference between sort and sorted method is that sorted is a function. Here sorted if you see, sorted is a function, but the sort is a method. So this is the main difference between sort and sorted here, that sorted is a keyword here in Python, but sort is a function. So let's consider another method. So now, what if we want to clear our list? So we have another method to clear our list. Suppose I want to delete all the elements present in the list. So it is very easy, I can directly do this by number dot clear method. So the clear method clear all the elements which is present in the list. As you can see, if I run this program, you can see the elements which are present in the list of number. You can see the list is empty. So clear method clear all the elements present in our list. Now we have another method, we can call it copy method. So the copy method, we have a list number, so we can copy this list in another list. So suppose I am going to create a list called num and I want to copy this list in num. So I can directly do this by number dot copy. You can see here, this copy method creates a copy of number and store it in num. So I can directly print, if I print num here, you will see that it is same as number. You can see here, list data type of both elements are same. So it's all about today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.